Understanding Final Call, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the phrase, final call. This phrase is commonly used in various contexts, and understanding its nuances can really enhance your English comprehension. Let's explore what it means and how it's used. The term, final call, typically indicates the last opportunity to do something. It's a warning or announcement that no further chances will be given. This phrase is often used in transport settings, like airports or train stations, to signal the last chance to board. However, its use isn't limited to transportation. It can apply in many other scenarios too. 1. Transportation. Final call for passengers boarding flight BA 432 to Paris. Here, it means the last announcement for passengers to board the flight. 2. Events or offers. This is the final call to avail the early bird discount. In this context, it's the last chance to get a special offer. 3. Meetings or gatherings. We are making a final call for everyone to join the meeting. This implies the meeting is about to start, and it's the last call to join. Last call, often used interchangeably with final call, especially in bars or events to indicate the last chance to order drinks or participate. Closing soon. This is more common in retail or exhibition settings, indicating that the place will soon close. Understanding these variations helps in comprehending different situations where similar phrases are used. In everyday English, final call can be used metaphorically too. For example, this is your final call to submit the assignment. Here, it's used to stress the urgency and the last opportunity to complete a task. That's all about final call. Remember, it's all about context. This phrase is a great example of how English uses specific terms to convey urgency and finality. We hope this video helps you understand and use final call confidently in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.